Meet the HE&M H90A-4 automatic horizontal pivot bandsaw. The H90A-4 has a cutting capacity of 12 3/4 inch wide and 12 3/4 inch high, uses a 1-inch blade, and is powered by a 3 horsepower motor that can be ran at either 220 or 440 volts. The blade speed is easily adjustable on the H90A-4 with the push-button controls located on the console. You can select your ideal cutting speed, ranging anywhere from 60 to 300 surface feet per minute. The blade guide system utilizes carbide inserts for stability and ensures a long-lasting blade life. The guide arm is easily manually adjustable to help stabilize the blade and reduce vibration. The blade is easily tensioned on the side of the saw. Blade tensioning assures and maintains proper blade tension throughout the cutting process. The control console is located in an easy view style control on a gooseneck mount. The control console and gooseneck can each be pivoted for operator convenience. The saw may be operated in manual, semi-automatic mode, or fully automatic mode. HE&M Saw's patented cut watcher system monitors the cut for squareness to a preset deviation value. The system shuts down the saw when the preset value is exceeded. The saw vices are adjustable through the vice ways. When the clamp is engaged, the air-powered short-stroking vice is pulled toward the fixed wear plate, clamping material in place to ensure accurate cuts. The blade feed rate can be adjusted from 0 to 3 inches per second to regulate the saw arm traverse rate. A powered blade brush is the standard for positive removal of metal chips that may lodge in the blade gullets. This system ensures a cleaner blade, more accurate cuts, and prolonged blade life. The automatic bar feed on the saw is comprised of an air-operated shuttle vise feed system with 0 to 24-inch stroke that allows up to 4 indexes for longer parts. The feed table includes a vertical alignment bar and mechanical readout. The standard 18-inch exit discharge table provides easier handling after the cut. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with the sealed coolant pump. The coolant is dispensed through the guard arms on both sides of the cut. A cutting fluid cleanup hose is provided for machine washdown. Thank you for watching our overview of the HE&M H90A-4 automatic horizontal pivot bandsaw. For more information or to submit a quote, visit our website at hemsaw.com.